All right, today I'm going to show you how you can add multiple data sets to one graph in Excel. So here in our example, we just have two sets of data. We have sales data for 2025 and for 2026 here. And we want to add these data sets onto one graph. Now keep in mind that this example is very simplified, but the principle on how to add multiple data sets to one graph remains the same. So the first thing that you need to do is go up to the Insert ribbon, and then go over to this chart section and find this little insert line or area chart here. And we're just going to select this first one here, and that's going to bring up a blank chart or blank graph. Now you can move that around by clicking and dragging or clicking the circles in the corners to resize. So once you have the chart selected, go up to the chart design ribbon here and go over to select data. This little menu box is going to pop up, and you're going to want to go over to add. And it's going to ask you for a series name. In this case, we'll just say 2025 sales. And the values we're going to select are going to be all of these here because we want these sales numbers to be displayed. So we'll select all of those numbers. Go ahead and hit OK. And now if we were to hit OK, it's going to plot the sales data we selected. Now, what we need to do is add the second series of data, and what we want to do is add the horizontal axis as well, which will be these months. Since we have the same horizontal axis for each for 2025 and 2026, we can create this chart to include all of these months. So we'll go back up to select data. This menu will pop up again. To change the horizontal axis, we'll go ahead and hit edit here, and then it's going to ask us to select the range, which in this case will just be here, January through December. We'll go ahead and hit OK, and then if we hit OK again, we'll see that the horizontal axis changed to months. Going back to select data, to add our second data set, we just need to go select add one more time, and we'll label this 2026 sales. And the values will be here, so we'll select all of those values. We'll go ahead and hit OK, and we'll have both of these data sets checked. Once we hit OK, we can see our graph here for 2025 in blue and 2026 in orange. And so in this example, we just added two data sets to this one graph, but you can include as many data sets as you'd like in this graph. Again, going up to chart design, you can play around with the design of the chart. You can hit this plus to add chart elements like a title or axis titles, things like that, to play around with the formatting. But ultimately, that is how you can add multiple data sets to one graph within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you so much, and just have such a great rest of your day.